What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to talk about money. This is the after a long time I'm going live. So, what is money? Well, scientists have already proved that everything in this universe is energy. So, money is also a form of energy. Even if you are watching me and I'm also a form of energy, you too are also a form of energy. So, money is the exchange of energy. Money is the exchange in order to exchange value. You get money, and when people are grateful for your work, they reward you, and the reward is money. And throughout the life, we do money management. Money management is a skill. You need to learn how to manage money throughout your life. Money is a tool. Some people think that when you become rich, you become bad. It's not like that. When you become rich, the energy of money is high on your side. You are attracting more of your money side. So it's better to use that money for a good thing. And money can be of two types. Money can be a happy one and a sad one. When you say a happy money, it means that you are using money, a tool, to help someone. You are receiving blessings from the people so that people exchange a reward and give you money. You are providing value to the people and they're rewarding you back with money. So money is a tool and it is used as a blessing, then it will be happy money. Now I'm talking about sad money. Now you might be thinking how money can be happy and sad. It doesn't have any kind of emotion, but it does have. When I'm talking about sad money, I'm talking about the things that people just say when you just do your favor or when you just input your energy. When people is saying something bad about you and they are giving the money, right? When you giving some output and then the people just they are complaining about you, and the money that you receive is the form of negative energy, so it's now a bad money. So it's a positive side, there is a happy money, and it's a bad money, there is a negative side. Now when you classify this positive happy money, it's actually the spiritual money. Now a lot of people think that spirituality is different from the money stuff, but let me remind you that they are different in the way what you think, right? Spiritual money is that of happy money, and when you think about spirituality, you are actually talking about happy money side. You are taking money as a happy thing, right? And when you see the universe is always abundant. Universe is having abundance mindset, but a lot of people are just facing about lacking mindset, that is the scarcity mindset, and they don't shift the focus to abundance mindset. But abundance is your natural state. So when you are into abundance side, you are attracting more of your happy money into your side. And when you attract that happy money, you are attracting spirituality, you are attracting spiritual money, and that you can use to help more and more people, and then you will be attracting more and more abundance into your life. That's the money power secret I'm talking about. So you attract what you give out. Think like the universe is a mirror, right? So what you give out, you will receive back, right? So if you are giving out negative emotions, negative energy, then at one point of time you will receive that negative energy. And if you are giving out abundance, if you are giving positive energy, then you will definitely receive it, right? So you are what you attract, and that's what is the law of attraction. Law of attraction doesn't mean that you need to visualize this thing and that will happen. No, it's like you are actually what you are, and that will be attracted towards you, right? You are actually there. You are actually the form of energy, and those which is suitable for you, you will be attracting that. So we are all in the way a money magnet. You are vibrating at certain frequency. You are vibrating at certain frequencies. And so if there is some energy out there, then those frequency vibrations which are matching to your frequency vibration, you will be attracting. So this is the real secret of money. And so I thought that I need to share this, and so I came live after long time. But there is a tip for a creator. If you are a creator, if you are making some kind of content, that there is a tip. Never chase or never buy a follower, right, on any of the social media, because I have suffered on this page which I'm talking about. At one point of time, when I post something or when I do any kind of activity, I was getting an exposure, right? But right now I'm not getting any kind of exposure because I think that Instagram algorithm has kind of known that I have just bought the followers in the past time. So never buy followers, never buy any kind of people, right, into your social media, whether it might be Instagram, YouTube, any damn thing. Right? It hampers, it restricts your growth. Algorithm knows that you are buying followers, you are spending money to gain the momentum. So that's what I learned, and I just wanted to share you so that in future you will be also aware about this. So thanks for watching. See you some other time.